Hi everyone, this is Mehmet, Tropical Guy. It's been a long time since I record an informative long video, and today we will talk about the coffee plants. There are some key points to discuss before expecting plant to give flower and coffee beans to us. Coffee plants prefer indirect light. Indoor plants should be placed near a window, but not directly in the window itself. They also cannot tolerate temperatures below freezing and will not do well in temperatures that stay consistently below 20 degrees. Moisture is one of the crucial points, so the soil needs to stay moist. Also, both the soil and the pot should have a good drainage system. The humidity is a must for the plant, so it needs to stay high as well. The plant will need less water in the winter than in the summertime. If the conditions indoors are ideal for the plant, it can flower when it matures, and this may take 3 to 5 years time. Small to medium sized pots are ideal for indoor plants. You may also cut yellow and dark leaves with a knife or scissors. If everything goes well with the care procedure, you may even grow and roast your coffee beans at home. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to ask me your questions by writing your comments below regarding coffee plants or any other plants as well, mostly tropical ones. And do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you again.